From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your afternoon weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
And I sure hope you're having a great Monday so far. Beautiful weather. We're going to start to see the clouds increase a little bit throughout the day today, mainly upper East Tennessee, where we do have a slight chance for some light rain showers before the day is over. We're talking about potential tropical cyclone number 8. It's a mouthful, I know. It's a low pressure system moving in from the Carolinas that's going to bring us cloud coverage and some more cloud coverage as we get into our Tuesday, Wednesday. But unfortunately, I just don't think we're going to see a whole lot of rainfall from this forecast here as well. All right, so here's your futurecast model picking up the timeline at the lunch hour. Well, let's run you through the afternoon. You'll see how this moisture is going to start to kind of creep its way on in. Again, we're going to have that northeasterly wind taking shape thanks to low pressure to our just directly to our east. Not a ton of rainfall again expected throughout the day today, but by the end of the day, Carter, Unicoi, Johnson County, maybe Washington County could see a few light rain showers, but I think these will continue to pick up overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow. We'll likely have a little bit better coverage of rainfall in some locations. So by the end of the day, again, not a whole lot of rainfall is on the way. So enjoy today. Enjoy the sunshine. Dew points have dropped a little bit from what we saw over the weekend, which is great news. So it feels a little bit more comfortable. That's going to allow those morning temperatures to come down just a little bit more as well. Temperatures this afternoon, low, mid, and upper 80s. So very similar to what we've had over the last couple of days. Maybe a little bit cooler in some locations, but all in all, it's still looking like it's going to be a fantastic day and a nice evening as well if you want to take an after-dinner walk. Here's that low-pressure system. See how it's going to throw moisture our way. Now, our in-house model forecast is bringing in quite a bit of rainfall for the day tomorrow. Not totally sold on that, so I'm going to keep our percentages of rain just a little bit on the lower side, but there is the potential or a slightly better potential for some rainfall as we get through the day tomorrow. Dew points will come up a little bit from what we're experiencing today, and so we're going back, not muggy per se, but just a little bit more elevated. And then this low is going to linger all the way through the middle part of the week. By the latter part of the week, it starts to kick its way on out of here. High pressure starts to build its way back in, and that's going to allow for warming temperatures. And so we're going to start to warm up. But this coastal low is not going to linger as long as we were anticipating just a couple of days ago. So right now, we'll just go about 20% chance of rain. I'm not anticipating a ton of activity, but the heaviest rain could be across upper East Tennessee, where we could see from Knox County, Tri-Cities, anywhere from a quarter to maybe over an inch of rain. And then Knox County south and southwest, probably not going to get much rain over the next 7 days, which is not great news because we haven't had a whole lot of rainfall this month. We're already halfway through the month. Average-wise, we pick up about 3.5 inches of rainfall for the month of September. And, well, we are drastically behind. And so the drought's going to continue to build and strengthen around town. Temperatures, as high pressure strengthens, are going to come back up to about or slightly above average for most of the weekend into the upcoming weekend. And that may be the trend as we round out the month of September. So keep that in mind. All right, so make sure you download the East Tennessee Weather app. It's your one-stop shop for weather right here in East Tennessee. It's 100% free. Just go to your Google Play Store or the App Store and search eastTNweather, all one word. I am broadcasting from Irving, Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas, they say, and it's true. The skyline's beautiful. I'm here for the National Weather Association's annual weather conference with broadcast meteorologists and National Weather Service meteorologists and meteorologists from all over the country, and we're learning a lot of cool stuff. I will be posting more on my social media, so make sure you check out Mike Witcher TV for that as I highlight what they're talking about in the conference, of course, if it's interesting and something that you may want to learn about. So stay tuned for that. Your next weather update's coming up at 6 o'clock tonight. Check back in. We'll see you soon.